Hi, welcome back. Another important session. So, real-time entry question: how to default MRP group for material master in SAP or S4 HANA? Let's try to understand this one. Okay. So, generally, what happens, you know that, right? So, availability check has a priority. The first is based on your strategic group and your MRP group, item category plus MRP group, MRP type. Last time it will go for item category. So that situation I have already explained in one of my previous videos. Let's try to check. This is the most importantly for material management consultants, but still, and it is useful for SD consultants as well. As suppose if you are working on on-site, no one is coming as a separate consultant to help you out. Okay, let it be. Let's come here. So let's go to MM01. Let's try to create a material now. Okay. So this is my supplying plant. Okay. This is test material. I'm just creating. So let's try to fill all mandatory fields here. Okay. Just I wanted to show what is the standard gap so that we'll get into the actual situation. How to mitigate this one. Okay. Now look at here this MRP group. If I click here, I need to assign any one of it manually. For example, this is make to stock. So whenever you try to create, it has to come default actually. Okay. There is no manual intervention. So if I say press enter, okay, it will go to the further screen. Okay. So let me keep this. Okay. So let's come back to MRP1. If you see MRP group is, if I save this also for this material, it won't be defaulted. But I want at the time of creating this MRP group as a default one. Okay. I'm not going to save this material. I will show you SPRO reference IMG how we have to fill this gap. So probably the frequency is so high, then we have default values. If it is an important value at the for availability check and MRP side, then it is better to default it based on your material type actually. Okay, let's come here. Material management. What is this? Consumption based planning. So let's come here. MRP groups. So this is the place where you will define MRP groups. This is one of the error. We will get it at the time of creating material master. Okay. So this is a default MRP group for material type. What is our material type? Hava, trading goods. Okay. For this is the plant. This is not our plant actually. So for this 005, 31 is the default value. Okay. Someone made it. Let's try to create it. This is again Hava. My plant is FF01. I'm just taking this one, 10. Make to stock production. This is default. See, generally it depends on the scenario whether you would like to default it or not. Let's save this. Okay. So now let's come here. MM01. Now press enter again. Okay, FF01 is the plant. Test. So my basic unit of measurement, this I'm filled. Okay, I press enter again. I'll try to fill all mandatory fields. So let's try to keep this one also. So let's keep the availability check, transportation group, and you have that loading group and purchasing. Here purchase group again mandatory field. So you can check here. What is this? MRP group 0010. Make to stock, it is defaulted. If you see this is the one defaulted, right? Previously it is not there. So let's keep this one standard price. I'm just keeping this one. Okay. Now save this. Okay. Now go to the change mode or display mode. Let's try to go to the same MRP1 tab. See, now it is defaulted. This is how it works. Okay. I think you have learned something today. Okay. This is my YouTube channel. If you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe it. I will try to give general tips as well as. Okay. So this is my Udemy channel. Okay. I have my Udemy profile here. I am currently holding 3 to 9 to students. Okay. If anyone would like to learn the depth of SD, this is the right place. You are getting at cheaper rate. 245 lectures for 82 hours. And this is for if you are not at introduced to S4 HANA, you try this course, you will get basics and you can able to answer 1 or 2 entry questions. And here comes getting master to write functional specification. This everyone should need SDMM. Here I explain 3 scenarios. SD example, if you are from PP or FI, you can adapt your own examples and you can practice it. I have provided template over here. Okay. So like this, some courses are there. I'm just providing these links below of this video. You can enhance your knowledge by subscribing these courses. Anyhow, I'll just provide some knowledge in my YouTube also, which is also very important. Okay. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. Jai Hind. Thank you. All the best.